Hey there! In this episode, we're gonna take you to the next level of car treatment. And don't worry, we're not gonna overdo it. It's just about taking good care of it. Let's go. What a beauty! Right? I mean, this is an automotive treasure, a gem on four wheels. And it made its way into the sacred halls of the Mercedes-Benz Museum. And you wanna know why? Because someone took very good care of it. So much so that to this day, it's still drivable after 59 years. Just pop some gas in there and you're good to go. Well, if you can make it past these guys, that is. But it's not just the gas. A car uses up other things also, like oil for the engine and transmission, brake fluid, washer fluid, a brake light might be defective, or maybe the headlights need to be adjusted, things you don't necessarily notice right away. And those are checked by the workshop during an inspection. Some say checkup and renewed if necessary. Now, a distinction is made between a small and a large checkup. Thank you, sir. And your Mercedes-Benz partner calls this an A or B service. Think of it like this. When my wife goes to the hairdresser, sometimes it's enough to just cut the tips a bit, especially if her last visit wasn't that long ago. But next time, the full routine of washing, cutting, and coloring is necessary. And the same applies for the A and B service. The A service corresponds to a basic inspection and covers everything to keep your car rolling and safe. For example, all fluid levels are checked, the oil and oil filter are changed, and in addition, your baby is checked from the tires to the body to the engine compartment. And when I say baby, I'm talking about your car, naturally. Now, the B service is the large program. It has the same scope, but in addition, a brake test is performed, the exterior lighting is checked, and the cabin filter is changed. The A service is due 12 months after the purchase of a new Mercedes-Benz, or after reaching a defined mileage. Service A and B then alternate. And you know what's great? At your Mercedes-Benz service partner, just like at the hairdresser, you can get a coffee while you wait. Everything good so far? Great. Now, we already took your know-how to the next level. Now we're gonna keep that up. But first, I gotta get my caffeine level up. Now, it's important to mention that service checkups prevent bigger and more costly problems in the long run. I mean, it's better to change the engine oil filter on a regular basis than the whole engine, right? Hey, that's the engine, right? Kidding, I knew that. But what's this over here? And that down there? That even looks dangerous. If you're not a trained mechanic, you probably don't want to mess with those. Let the professionals at your Mercedes-Benz service partner handle it. They have the know-how and the qualifications, and also all the Mercedes-Benz genuine parts, coolants, and lubricants, which provide a high-quality standard and keep your Mercedes-Benz 100% Mercedes-Benz. I mean, after all, you don't want your car to be half Mercedes-Benz, half after 6 years, do you? So, the last two insights for this video. Now, you don't have to remember the service dates. Why? Because your car does it all for you. It informs you via the instrument cluster or the Mercedes Me Service app, which I'm sure you all have, right? If not, what are you waiting for? So, more space up here for your grocery lists, your mother-in-law's birthday, or insights from the next episode. Hope to see you again then. Take good care. Bye-bye.